You may ask me, how am I able to decide which buttons to press to actually control this character? So that is actually decided by the input mappings option. Inside the input mappings, it is already predefined that if you press W, it will move forward. If you press S, it will move backwards. And all those definition is actually accessed inside the blueprint, where you will combine the input mappings with the animations and you will complete the logic. You can actually change the input mappings inside the project settings. I'll go to the edit, and inside the project settings, just scroll a bit down. You have this input option. Over here, you'll be having action mappings and the axis mappings. If I open one of these, here we have the move forward / backward. So it is defined if I press W, and if the scale is a +1, this is meant to be moving forward. But if I press S, the scale or the value will be -1, means it will be moving backwards. Likewise for the up arrow and the down arrow. Same goes for the left and right. If I press A, means I'm moving left. It means it has a scale of -1. Similarly, if I press D and I'm moving right, it has a scale of +1. Same goes for the left arrow, which is -1, and the right arrow, which is +1. We have the same input mappings inside for the gamepad. So for the gamepad, the y-axis is for moving forward and backwards, and the x-axis is for moving left and right. Now for the mouse controls, we can turn left or right with the help of the x-axis of the mouse. Then we can look up or down with the help of the y-axis of the mouse. So these were the axis mappings, which actually controls between the -1 and 1. 1 being the positive for moving forward and negative for moving backwards. Whereas for the left and right, left being the negative and the right being the positive. Then comes the action mapping, which just consists of simple press and unpress. So the jump is just a simple input. So when I press my spacebar key, the button is pressed. And when I'm done pressing, it will just go to unpress. So it just jumps between pressed and unpressed. So for the jump, we are using the spacebar. And we can actually change the key over here. So I can go to the keyboard, and suppose I want to jump using the tab key. Just click on tab and it will be saved. Let us play the level. Now I'm pressing the space bar, but I'm not able to jump. But if I press tab, I am able to jump. So that is how the input mappings are decided.